Hi, everyone. So, you're getting started with this Spark assignment all about the artist Tracy Moffat. You'll learn a few things about her, but you're going to see first that the artwork she creates are photographs. In fact, she reprints and edits old photographs and creates stories that she thinks may or may not have really happened with the characters she finds in these old photographs. She doesn't really know these people, she doesn't really know their circumstances, but in her art, she creates these photos, reprints them, edits them, and then has a story that goes along with those photos that she creates, and gets us thinking about certain aspects of life for young people that maybe get overlooked. So, this is the photograph you're going to be diving into. As you scroll down, you will need to look back at this photograph to help answer the questions. You're going to notice some things in red. These are directions. Study the artwork above and answer the following questions. The things in yellow are going to help you with each section with points. The C section is 3 points. It says, look closely at the work of art above and make a list of 10 things you notice. Pretend you're a detective and no detail is too small. So, what do you see with your eyes? I want you to create a list of 10 things, and I want you to try to notice things that others might overlook. Come up with a list of 10 things that you notice, and then move on to the perceived point section. 3 points again. Dive deeper beneath the surface of this artwork and perceive the emotions, meanings, and messages in an artwork through your senses. What emotions do you feel when looking at this artwork? So you're going to share feeling words: happy, angry, sad, confused, gloomy, joyful, bubbly. Type in any emotions that you feel below, right here. Next, you should watch the video right here in the video link to continue. It will help you answer the next set of questions. So then click this link. It's going to take you to YouTube. It's a 3-minute video explaining what the artwork really is about. Then you can move on to Ask Answer and Reflect. Ask Answer says, what is this artwork about? So after watching that video, what is this work really about? What is the story being told? Why is she there? What is she feeling? And then move on to Reflect. How can you relate your own life experiences to this artwork? Have you ever felt the way that she has? What made you feel that way? This is where you can reflect on your own experiences. And then you're going to stop there at Reflect. Watch the next video below to see how to move forward.